Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of bright white screens when using Claude? Let's turn on dark mode in just few simple seconds. Now, before we start, Claude AI is a new powerful AI tool that helps you answer your questions and do your tasks. So, dark mode here isn't just about the looks. It's easier on your eyes, it saves your device battery, and makes long Claude sessions much more comfortable. In 2026, Claude included a built-in dark mode, but many users don't know exactly where to find it. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps on desktop and mobile. Now let's enable it. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to log into Claude AI. And to do that, you're going to go to your web browser and type in Claude in the search bar. After that, you're going to select the website here, says Claude AI, and make sure you log in with your account. After that, you're going to click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner here. Once you click on it, you're going to click on the settings. Now here, you're going to click here and you're going to look for appearance and theme. You're going to look for this section right here. And as you can see, we have three options. We have the light one, the dark auto one, and the dark one. Now the light one is the light, as you can see. The dark one is the dark mode, and the auto one gives you like an automated guess or depending on how you're using it. So you're going to select the dark mode here. As you can see, I selected the dark mode and refresh cloud if needed. As you see, I didn't have to refresh my cloud. You can also change the chat bounce here from the default, sans, system, and dyslexic friendly. And that's it. Dark mode should activate instantly. Now dark mode won't apply if browser overrides themes, and some old browsers may not support it. Also update your browser or app and restart Claude if the theme doesn't change. And that's how you enable dark mode in Claude 2026. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.